How to log into JCPenney Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into JCPenney Career. Login in JCPenney Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit JCPenney Career, type JCPenney Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on first link. Find the login option. Once you are on the JCPenney Career homepage, click on sign in. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your username and your password. Input the username associated with JCPenney Career in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. Once logged in, you should have access to JCPenney Career profile. Here you can browse job openings, submit application, update your profile information and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.